Pour a cup for the bitches that ain't scared to get down.
Get down, get down. We the best music.
How many times I gotta light another for the bitches who just only in time?
Another one.
For the weekend.
DJ Khaled.
How many times I gotta tell that ass to come over? I fuck you right, have you walking from side to side. You know how a nigga feel about wasting time. Know how I feel about waiting in line. You know he ain't it, girl, you're wasting your time. You're only this young for a moment in time. Take it in stride. How many times I gotta tell that ass to come over? How many times I gotta tell that ass to come over? How many times I gotta How many times I gotta tell that ass to come over? I fuck you right, have you walking from side to side? How many times?
How many times I got to tell your ass to come over? How many times I got to tell you I got a chauffeur? Think about it, think it over. Everything is gonna be kosher. Call me when you getting closer. If you take a text, say how much I owe ya. Don't send me no naked pictures. If I can't get naked with you, this dick deserve recognition. I don't mind paying that commission. Is you with the shit or not? If we ain't fucking, then bitch, bon voyage. How many times I say how many times? Too many times, and bitch, I ain't got time.
How many